So this is day 3 of the 30-day countdown. So we're going to go through the answer to question 2 before I release day 3's question. So we've been asked to expand and simplify this bracket, which is all to the power of 4. Now, a question like this, we're going to be using Pascal's triangle. So we're going to draw out a Pascal's triangle. So we've got 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So remember, this one here is the addition of the two diagonal ones above it. So this one here is the addition of those two, and so forth. So this first bracket is when we got a power of 0. This one's power of 1, power of 2, power of 3, power of 4. And they tell you the coefficients of each of our terms in it. So, 2x take away 3 to the power of 4. We're going to take the first term, take that to the power of 4. The second term, take that to the power of 0, and multiply it by our coefficient, as in the first part of our Pascal's triangle. We're then going to add on the next coefficient, and we'll take the first term, and instead of it being power 4 this time, we're going to reduce it by 1, so it's going to be power 3, and our next term, we're going to increase the power by 1. We're going to do the same. We're going to get the coefficient here. We're then going to take the first term, reduce the power again, increase the power, take the coefficient, decrease the power, increase the power, and then our final coefficient. Decrease the power and increase the power. Now, there's a few things that we can get rid of. So anything to the power of 0 is going to be 1. So those two, it's going to be 1. And now we can simplify that. So this this coefficient of 1 we don't care about because we've got some other terms in there. So we can ignore that. And we can ignore this one here. So the first term is 2x to the power of 4. So we're going to do 2 to the power of 4. So 2, 4, 8, 16. X to the power of 4. So remember, both of these things we are multiplying by this power of 4. Next one, so we've got 4 times by 2 to the power of 3, so it's going to be 2, 4, 8, times by negative 3. So we're going to have 4 times 8, which is 32, times by 3 is going to be times by negative 3, it's going to be negative 96. And then we've got x to the power of 3. Next one, so we got a 6, 2 squared is 4, negative 3 squared is going to be positive 9. So we're going to have 4 times 6, which is 24, multiplied by 9. 24 times by 9 is going to be positive 216. We're going to have our x to the power of 2, so x squared. Next one, 4 times 2, because it's 2 to the power of 1, times by negative 3 to the power of 3. So negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be negative 27. Okay, negative 27 times 2 times 4, so negative 27 times 2 is negative 54. Negative 54 times 4, so I'm going to have to do some working out on the side of my page. So 4 times 50, which will give us 200. 4 times 4, which is 16, put those all together, so negative 216. And that is x to the power of 1. And our final term is going to be negative 3 to the power of 4. So we're going to have 3, 9, 27, 81. So it's going to be plus 81. So that was the answer to day 2. So let's release day 3's question. So for tomorrow, let's do work out the value of 6 over x plus 4, take away 2 over x subtract 4. It's tomorrow's question.